Yes, it is that time again. A package arrived. Well, more arrived this week. But this one is a really big one and I have no idea what's inside. Because I probably order too fast, way too much.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more!
What all the things were I ordered. The little boxes, the big box, a little bag. Let's see what we have in here. The other day a number of parts arrived to fiddle together some Axial 10 Pro straight axles. Axial 10 Pro straight axles. Yep, that was it. What do we have here? Okay, we have some set screws because I was out of these. These are for making links and these are for the 10 Pro axles. So that's good stuff. This arriving over here right now. There's a few more things I'm waiting for to finish or to start assembling the 10 Pro axles. Let me see, what do we have in here? Break out the big knife. Another one over here. Let me see, what is this? Shocks. Yeah. There was some new type of shocks from DRC, and a lot of the guys I'm in contact with in this hobby ordered them, so probably FOMO. I needed to have them also. They look really nice and shiny shocks. Not sure where I'm going to use these on yet, but I will find a good place. Hey, there's even some nice stickers with them. King Off-Road Racing Shock. Okay, always check all the bags. This looks like it could be an axle because I ordered one from GMP Racing, I think. So probably yeah. Here it is. This is the one. Did I say that right? GPM Racing. That's a rather beefy axle. One of the guys I know runs these on multiple vehicles, and he's really pleased with them. What does it say? Axial 110 4-wheel drive SX10 Pro. So I'm building those myself, but this also seems to be one. So maybe I'm going in the straight axle. I'm going in the straight axle direction because I mainly have, let's say, except the gum, which isn't technically mine, and there's element axles. All my other axles are portal axles. I have a set of fake rock jocks. They still need to go on a vehicle, probably a leaf spring one. That might be the axle for a leaf spring vehicle with a hard body, class 1 type. So now I have choices. Man, what else do we have here? Let me see. This box, that could be tires. That's the weight of tires, that's the volume of tires. Let's not cut into the tires then. I better be careful. Here we are. These are tires I've been waiting for a long time now. We are talking about, there's 2 sets. We are talking about the Mix Racing Off-Road. Does it say Mix Racing on the package? Yeah, here it is. Mix Racing Off-Road 11842. So this is the same company that makes, let me grab one, that makes this one, the Mix Racing Crawler tire. We call it a fake Fusk because it is exactly the same.
Hi everyone, I'm Elon Musk.
The pattern is, here is a Tusk, so you can see they look really, what is it, a Baja Pro X, something like that. But now they have a pin tire, so I really need to test these and see how they are. So a lot of content, a lot of things to do in a few next episodes. We try to stay on this schedule, releasing one on Wednesday, which is mostly a separate stand by itself episode from something, and then release something on Sunday, which is mostly something in a series of like the gum, and before that we had the tsunami. There will be another series. I'm thinking, do we do the hard body first? Build the hard body build, which is something. Then we have a metal cage build waiting. Where am I going to use these or the other 10 Pro axles on? I'm still waiting for the 10 Pro axles. Let me see what the stuff is I already have. So there's, as you can see, a lot of stuff already arrived. And now there's these set screws. They go in here. Maybe I use these shocks on this build. I can put that in here. But then the main thing I'm waiting for are yeah, the brass. We have the pumpkins, and then we have the outside, the C-hubs and everything. But there's some brass tubes in between. I'm waiting for those, and I'm waiting for the shafts that go in. So it's two things I'm waiting for to start building that one. Yeah, so that will be interesting. The straight axles might go on this thing. I don't know how well this shows on any camera. So we are building something really cheaty, with a way forward motor mount in here. Still in developing the situation, but this is also to come. I might do this with straight 10 Pro axles and then use 5.25 wheels on it. So that's an idea that's also in the pipeline. This definitely will be a series of some type with the 10 Pro axles. Yeah, I might do that with the 10 Pro axles, but the ones I built myself. This I'm going to use for something else. Maybe I can build a mullet out of these ones. This
Meanest and cleanest mullets in America.
in the front, and then portals in the rear. I think that might be a good idea. I believe someone in the UK built a mullet with these ones in the front. I gotta check that photos or footage again, so that might be a good one. And then there's tires to be tested, and there's also these ones also arrived, the Endura S5 compound, and this is the Klingon tire. So yeah, as you can see, a lot of things to be tested in the next weeks, which is good. I like to keep consistent in releasing content, so one Wednesday, one Sunday, that's something I can keep up. That's something I also can do in the editing, and then my son also has to have time for that. So I think that's a pace we can consistently keep on. There's one more thing I'm just going to show you. This will be an unboxing, because yeah, who knows what this will be. A big black box from a local hobby shop. Well, local, I was from the Netherlands. I'm from Belgium. The Netherlands is only the next country. So this will be an unboxing, and this definitely will be a series. I know what's in it. It's still a question mark for you guys. So with this one unrevealed, I will going to leave you at this little short video. Well, I will post it somewhere in between. I don't think this is a worthy episode, because I actually didn't do anything. But yeah, I will leave it for now. So see you all later.